Wondering whether to use AutoDS on eBay or Shopify? Well, let's compare the setup and key differences in 2025. With Shopify, setup is super clean. You're just connected to your store, choose your products, and start importing. You can control the branding, the domain, and the customer experience. AutoDS handles product uploads, pricing automation, and order fulfillment behind the scenes. So on eBay, things are a bit different. Since eBay is a marketplace, you'll need to follow strict listing policies, shipping time rules, and account metrics. AutoDS helps by auto-formatting your titles and handling eBay item specifics. It can even schedule listings and auto-relist items that sell out. Both setups support auto orders, tracking updates, and inventory sync, but Shopify gives you more freedom, while eBay gives you traffic from day one. In 2025, AutoDS also added AI-powered listing optimization on eBay and improved variant handling on Shopify, making both smoother than ever. Like this video if it helped though. Subscribe for more dropshipping tips and check my next one where I show how to list one product on both platforms at once using AutoDS.